type shit. But yeah, I just got my first mod for the car. It's the Stillen Gen 3 Longtube intake, man. Just arrived a couple hours ago. I was out all day. I'm in Florida, it's hot as hell. I know I look crazy right now, but who cares? But yeah, man, we gonna open this thing up. See what's inside. You know what I'm saying? See what's cracking in here. Alright. Okay. They done packaged this thing good, man. Shit, got little filters here and shit. Let's see what else we got here. All the goodies. A little support for the filters there. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, I've been wanting one of these, man. Gave it to me and it's free. Pretty sure it comes with every package, so I'm not gonna feel special like they just gave it to me. You know what I'm saying? And they got all the, you know what I'm saying, installation parts and shit, and that's about it. That's in there. I will post a video on how to install this, but I don't know how to. That's why I'm not gonna post it. I'm gonna go on YouTube like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Go look how to install this, and I'll show y'all the before and after because my car is actually completely stock, so this is the first mod. So, all right. So in the intro, I know y'all heard a little something for who was actually listening. The car sounded a little different. That's a video that's going to eventually come out soon, man. I end up putting a single exhaust on the car. I was supposed to put the headers too, but technical difficulties, rush. So I got to get it in the job. But enough of that. That's going to be another video. I know I'll be going on YouTube trying to search up freaking stock VQs with just the Stillen Gen 3 freaking intake, and I can't seem to find one. Everybody say it's stock, but they got damn exhaust on them. But yeah, but car's completely stock. I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like with these. I'll be installing these tomorrow, so I have a video, some pics, so y'all can see. And y'all can see what it sounds like. But first mod, man, I know everybody get different things for their first mod, but that's my first mod, you know what I'm saying? And until next time.
24 hours later.
Hey man, I know the video was a little short, you know what I'm saying? Shit, it don't need to be that long, but for y'all who don't know what a car sound like with the Stillen Gen, just by itself stock, that's why I made this video, man, because like I said, I've been looking for videos and then it just don't sound like it's stock. So y'all got this video to show y'all that the shit is actually stock. And there's more to come, man, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Have a wonderful day, evening, night, in the morning, whatever time it is where you at right now. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all click that subscribe button, man. Like the video, share, and be prepared for more content. Peace out.